Are you curious about using Elevenlabs for free? You've probably seen countless YouTube videos claiming you can use this powerful voice tool indefinitely, completely for free, with so much conflicting information out there. The question is, can you really use Elevenlabs for free forever? Let's cut through the hype and look at the facts. Yes, Elevenlabs does offer a free tier, and that's fantastic for those looking to test out the voice technology. But it's crucial to understand what this free tier actually offers. When you sign up for a free Elevenlabs account, you're given a monthly allowance of 10,000 characters. Now that might sound like a lot, but in reality, it translates to about 10 minutes of generated audio. For some users, this might be enough to play around with the tool or create short snippets of content. But if you're planning on using generated voices regularly in your work, you'll quickly find that 10 minutes a month won't cut it. Now you might be thinking, well, what if I just create multiple accounts? Surely I can get around this limitation. And you wouldn't be the first person to have that idea. But here's why that's not a great solution. First of all, creating multiple accounts to bypass usage limits is a clear violation of Elevenlabs' terms of service. It might seem like a clever workaround, but it's actually a quick way to get all your accounts suspended. Elevenlabs has systems in place to detect this kind of behavior, and they're not afraid to take action against users who try to break this rule. Even if you did manage to create multiple accounts without getting caught, it's an incredibly time-consuming and impractical approach. Imagine having to constantly switch between accounts, keep track of which one you're using, and manage multiple logins just to generate a bit more audio. But the limitations of the free tier don't stop at character count. There are other significant restrictions to be aware of. For instance, one of Elevenlabs' most popular and impressive features is voice cloning. It's a technology that allows you to create a digital version of a specific voice, which can be incredibly useful for a variety of applications. However, this feature is completely off limits for free tier users. Additionally, free users only have access to a limited selection of voices. While these voices are still of high quality, you're missing out on the full range of options and customization features that paid users enjoy. So can you use Elevenlabs for free forever? In the strictest sense, yes. There's nothing stopping you from continuing to use your free account month after month. But the reality is that for most users, especially those looking to create content regularly, the free tier is more of a trial than a viable long-term solution. Thanks for sticking with me through this explanation. I hope it's cleared up some of the confusion surrounding Elevenlabs' free tier and helped you make a more informed decision about whether it's the right tool for your needs. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.